Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom Intuos Pro M device, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset all settings on this device. So to reset all settings, of course, you don't need your tablet because here we have no reset buttons or power buttons. We have no here too. So to reset this device, the one way to reset all settings is to uninstall and install the driver again. So to uninstall the driver, you need to open the Windows or macOS settings, find the applications. So maybe you have no applications in settings, so you can, if you have Mac device, you need to open Finder, and in the Finder, click Applications, find here Wacom Center or Wacom Driver, in our case tablet Wacom device, and click Uninstall it, and click Uninstall. I will not do it now because I'll show you how to do it in the other way. So of course, if you will uninstall it, you will need to install it again. So find Wacom drivers in the web browser and install it again. We have video about it, how to do it, but you can do it in the other way. You can open the Wacom Center application, and in the Wacom Center, just choose any option. For example, pen settings. And here we have all settings of our device, and I suggest use Intuos Pro. Here choose all, and here choose functions, and here click default. Then open touches and click default. Pro Pen, click default. And here, if you will see applications, just click on it and click minus, click minus to remove it from the setups. Then you can open the on-screen shortcut and remove any radial menus, for example, remove, delete, and then you will just need to set up your own radial menus too. In this way, you will reset your Wacom Center settings without reinstalling the driver. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.